Sir,
Yes, sir, it's good.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, what about the softwares used in gear industry? Uh, Apart from our area, we are going to somewhat to touch later to the softwares, but we don't have very depth knowledge. But even though we are trying to get some other points, actually, in the major points is somewhat enough to know to the students, which was helpful to increase their interest towards to the mechanical softwares. So what about the gear software used in outside the world? Sorry, inside the world. The high gears, the first one is a 3D gear modeling program for design and development of hypoid gears, like hypoid gears, spiral bevels, right? Bevel, spur gears, helical gears, and face gears, and involute splines. It allows the design analysis and optimization of gear sets through functions such as tooth contact analysis, loaded tooth contact. So it's a very important two domains or two different modules are tooth contact analysis and loaded tooth contact analysis. What is that? The tooth contact analysis, which is going to research are giving output related to the load, environment velocity, radius of curvature, not under the loading condition. So first at the initial, and we have to check at the pre-processing types. When compared to the loading, the all are in corrected condition. That means corrected load, corrected environmental velocity, and corrected radius of curvature. It was analyzed and it was verified by the initial data to output data. So what about the real conditions are there? We can analyze that. And also, what about the parameters we are going to check? Consider the blank geometry. Blank means a pure gear. The blank geometry, cutter blade shape, and we can check and modify these all the things, blank geometry and cutter blade shape, immediately by the using of summary editor. They have some apps and in summary editor. We have just changed it from the summary editor. So we can easily customize, we can easily improve the efficiency, or we can easily check the process by the modification of the blank geometry and cutter blade shape. The second one is finite element analysis pre-processing for meshing and loading application. It is possible in this software, by this software, Hype. Then third one, the evaluation of contact stresses are possible. So stress analysis. And fourth one is very important, the output file. What about the output file? The softwares are very mandatory to easiest access to the some other software, because it's initial or file output files or output data should be useful to the some other data's input, isn't it? So CMM output file, we can use the CMM coordinate measuring machine output file is supports. So we can directly translate the output to the input or input to the output. These are very gear for number one, the high gear. Second one, KISSOFT. It is a tool for design of machine elements such as gears, shafts, bearings, and springs. It's mainly for gearbox design and analysis. It also calculates the machine elements according to some standards, German standard DIN, ISO, and American Gear Manufacturing Association and Assembly. So KISS gears are what are the parameters or what are the things to be verified? The gears and shafts and bearing life. And the parameters concerning the strength and stiffness of the gears, the noise pollution. Previously, we are not concentrating in noise problems or a formation of noise in high gears, but while go for the KISS shaft, there is analysis or identification of noise. Okay, so each and one softwares are different and unique for the particular application. We go for the particular software. So KISS search strengthens stiffness analysis and noise analysis, even though the weight analysis carried in KISS software. It's also contained another model is KISS. That means KISS systems oriented software in the gear, gearbox, gear shaft, bearing life that can be calculated. These are under the category of KISS shaft. So what about the power gear? So third one is the power gear. Also, it is called as a parallel axis gear analysis. The spur, helical, bevel gear, and gear tooth geometry, tool geometry, bending contact stresses, strength, durability, frictional powerless, totally 6 to 7 types or more than 7 types. We have to use these parameters and check for the evaluations. It also produces the manufacturing data needed to prepare. What about the input content, data or drawing required for the gear? It also produces automatically. When you are giving the input, it produces the drawings. Is very important. So draw gear is included, which allows gear mesh action to viewed dynamically on screen. Then it produces also, sorry, the student version. that means the application in parallel axis gear design. Just type in the Google applications in parallel axis gear design, which is supports are under the category of power gear. It gives some version for the student. This is called application in parallel axis gear design. They are asking some amount for the fee. So this is power gear software. So animated CAD. What is meant by animated CAD solution? It provides animated image of gear systems to allow the designers to visualize complex mechanism. It also provides composite flash images, which are static representation of gear system motion. It allows quantitative evaluation of various engineering condition based on the corresponding numerical data files or CAD images. It converts the find images to CAD images also. And some researchers still involved in this software. They are using and they are developing a new mechanism from that animated CAD solutions. For the spur gear, external, internal, and helical gear, spiral gear also. The quality control, designing, manufacturing for involute and cyclic gear has been carried out in the animated CAD solutions. So Gear Design Pro. It is for designing spur and helical gears, optimization, tolerance based on ISO 1328. The works. Is it visible, sir? Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So Gear Design Pro. Okay. Look at that Gear Design Pro. It is for designing spur and helical gears. The features of a flash temperature calculations, center distance optimization, and ISO 1328. The design workspace research is there, which allows user to generate thousands of gear designs, analyze and compare them in a minutes. So within a short period of time, or stipulated minutes, we can compare multiple images or multiple solutions, which is going to be optimized. The versions are basic, standard, and advanced. And furthermore, this is suitable for center distance optimizations problems. And the calculations based on input of helix gears, that means helix angles and material properties. So Proxt. So next one is Proxt, the advanced gear profile manipulation and enhancement tool. It can be used in a conjunction. It associated with the partner of GearCAD. It both associates and gives a wonderful output because it gives addendum coefficient gears, center distance, backlash problem, and tooth size and load checking. The backlash problem, out of the 4-5 we have seen in the gear problem softwares or gear animation softwares, there is none of explains about the backlash problem. The props and with associated of the GearCAD is gives the solution for backlash problem. So it is very important. So numerically and visually, the gear profile can modify it easily. These all are the up to my knowledge, these all are the available softwares in the net, and we can know what about the basic things are required or parameters related to that industry. Just we go by depth later. So other softwares are available. Integrated gear software, that is called 6 packages software. It identifies or expresses the yield stress and tip relief problems. The 6 parameters are, or packages are black geometry, the modules are number 1, advanced gear design and manufacturing. Second one, basic gear design and manufacturing. Third one, design and manufacture of metal gears. Fourth one, design and manufacture of plastic gears. Fifth one, crash the axis gear design. Sixth one, epicyclic and spline design and manufacturing. These all are the 6 different packages. And advanced packages is related to the hobs and cutters. So yield stress problems. So which is the files is converted to IGS, which is used to transform from word file, that means word file 2. So automatic upgradations are available. This is for integrated gear software. Similarly,